all your everything you do on the way back. Yeah, we go there and then come back up and go there. Oh guys, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Actually want to go that way to go around. Yeah, let's go stick right. The whole, all three? We'll be here for at least an hour. Don't forget to look down. Okay, I need to adjust my socks all the way. But I heard something on my head. Could have, would have, should have, didn't. When you go rollerblading next, take it easy here. Hey guys, so remember it's in the afternoon? Yes. Yes. There's so many different possibilities. Oh God, here we go. Here we go. Oh jeez. GoPro? There's always something else.